Okay, so after 28 minutes at temperature 350 degree, I'm gonna test to see if it's ready. All dry, nothing stick to the toothpick. Alright, very good. I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes before I take them out. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how I will make a vanilla cake. It is my first time. I like to do weekly. I want to be able to learn one new recipe weekly. So this is vanilla cake. Follow me. I don't know what the result will be. I hope I will be able to make it and it's gonna be edible. So if it is your first time stumbling in my channel, I hope you like what you see and subscribe for more. Thank you. And now let's start making the cake. Wish me luck. And then butter all around. So this way the cake won't stick to this. Okay, and I'm gonna put a little bit of all-purpose. Okay, so I have my baking pans already. Gonna put this aside. Now I'm going to mix. This is flowers. I am going to put out the description of the amount that I use. I don't know if this will work or not. It's my first time, but I will put a link on it. This is all-purpose flour. I have salt, baking powder, now gonna do another. I have 4 eggs, room temperature. This is sugar. So I'm gonna do sugar, put in here. And this is 1 cup of melted unsalted butter. Now I'm gonna add 4 eggs, one at a time. This is vanilla extract. So what I will do is I'm gonna have myself whip this for 7 minutes before I add flowers. Okay, so I whipped 7 minutes exactly. Now I'll go ahead and add the flower in here. So what I did is 7 minutes. I was whipping this. 7 minutes when I added the flour. Before that, I did 8 minutes before flowers. So that's total 11 minutes. Now I'm gonna, so this is ready to go. Go ahead and divide them into 2. My oven now is at 350 Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this inside and let it cook for 25 minutes. So I placed 2 baking pans inside for 350 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. So I've been baking for the last 24 minutes. Another 4 minutes, the cake should be done. Right now I am preparing for frosting. So what I have here are ingredients for frosting: powdered sugar, unsalted butter, vanilla extract, salt, and heavy whip. First thing first is I am going to whip this unsalted butter for 5 minutes. after 28 minutes, they look very good. I'm gonna take them out right now. Okay, so what I did is I spent about 15 minutes on whipping this. This is unsalted butter. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the powdered sugar. This is the heavy cream. Little salt and vanilla extract. Okay, this is the moment of truth. I spent 25 minutes on making the frosting, but somehow it didn't turn out the way I wanted. It didn't rise and it's too watery. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to use it for the cake. I have to try it next time. Let me go ahead and see how the cake turned out. So this has been out for the last 20 plus minutes. My two cakes. Let's have a test drive. I just dropped. So this is my cake.
Aren't you gonna put any frosting on it?
I tried to make frosting, but it didn't work. It's been hours trying to make this cake. Well, this is how it turned out. One piece of the cake. I made 2 layers. I meant to make frosting, but it didn't turn out the way I wanted. It didn't rise and it remained watery, so because of that I'm not gonna put it on my cake. So it's a fail for frosting. Let me try the cake to see how it tastes. Tastes good. I like it. So now I learned the basic of making cake. It's just a matter of time to perfect it. So I'm really happy. Um, it looks good, tastes good. Just working on the frosting and the designs and the flavors, different flavors. Alright, thank you everyone for, if you follow me to this, all the way to the end of the video, I really appreciate your time. I know it's not easy to follow someone who cooked for the first time. For me, I plan to practice making this to perfection. When I'm able to do that, then I will share my next videos on making cakes and decorating. Next week is my son's birthday. I hope I will be able to make a cake for him with frosting and designs. So I'll share the cake if I'm able to do so. Thank you for joining me, and I'm very grateful for having the opportunity to learn each week one recipe per week. So this week is cake. I will continue working on it to perfect it. Next week I will work on chili areno, big chili, and what you call cheese inside. It's a Mexican dish. That's what I'm planning to make next week. My mother-in-law and I love them very much. Whenever we go to restaurant, we order that quite a few times. Now I'm learning to make it and then I'll share with her. So thank you everyone for following me and for watching this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a thumb up, subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye bye.